today, Mommy bought and ordered these from Big Bad Wolf store. And by the way, if you want to shop in Big Bad Wolf, don't forget to check the link right over there down below. Well, okay, so yeah, let's start. First we have Hopping Mad.
You're the one who.
Okay. Ta-da, Hopping Mad. Ooh, there's some frogs like jumping out. And okay. Made by Michael Catchpool. What? Catchpool? Wait, what? Okay, so here's the book. Next you have True Hearts They Celebrate Ever After High. Oh, I like this. I love this show since I was like 7 or 6, maybe. So, okay, next we have Rip Hands, 2 books in 1, hands off. Whoa. So yeah, this is SpongeBob SquarePants and Nickelodeon. Next we have Collection Guide, the grocery brain. Ew. So I don't have any grocery brain, but it's okay. Ta-da. They're so gross. See? There's even some sticky things. Next we have Bible Man, the animated adventures. Oh, and it's also a flip book. Toot. Okay. So it's a Bible for kids, and it's a Bible that is a story that makes for kids. But this is my most favorite, the human body. That's why I love science. Next we have another Bible Man, the animated adventure. This is Neil. Ta-da! Say goodbye to the Grand Duchess of Greed.
That's nice.
And another one, Bible Man, the Mayor of maybe Mommy
Dolls.
Dolls of Doll. It's this is half of my favorite. Sweet or spicy. More quick quizzes. Oh, I love quizzes for BFFs.
You're the one who chose this one.
Yeah. David O'Connell. What? Monster and Chips. Night of the Living Bird. Mommy, is this a comic?
Yes.
Yes! I love comics. Next we have the Cake Club.
You have like that before.
What? The Cake
The
Club?
Cupcake Club.
Yes. I have, yes. Then why did you buy it?
It's another story.
I have a Cupcake Club, Sweet Victory. Ooh, look, it's a picture of a daughter and the mother, maybe. Next we have the Naughty Fairy. Ooh, this is also half of my favorite. I think it's gonna be good. Next we have the Babysitters.
Chronicles.
What is that?
Story.
Oh. The Babysitter's Stories. Olivia Bitter's Cookout Sister. Next we have, another Cupcake Club. Sugar and Spice. Next we have Magic Animal Rescue. This is also going to be half of my favorite. When you feel the plastic, so satisfying as ASMR. Next we have Arlene Phillips. Dressed up a Lana doll inside. Yes! Ma, I didn't know you bought this.
Alana.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Next we have this is super duper my favorite.
It's cool.
Hmm?
It's cool.
Oh, this. Hello, nga.
Oh, that's good.
This is gonna be my favorite, you guys. It's the quiz book BF for BFFs.
So we can try this one.
On Arlen and me, definitely. So this one is already open and it has some. Why does it have dirt?
I don't know. Maybe it's, I don't know. Because we already have this one.
Siguro extra. Next we have Tip Street. The Big Brother. Wait, what? Next we have Seriously Silly Color.
Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, what?
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty, you guys. I hope this is another comic.
Yeah.
Next we have Emma's Not So Sweet. Dear Mommy.
Dilemma.
Ano yun?
Problem.
Oh. Next we have Funny Funky
Tasty.
Tasty and Fantastic Wings.
Another
Same thing.
I don't know if I click two or they sent.
Star Crazy Me. Another donate.
Let me check.
Okay guys, look at this. Two others in plastic. What's that? What in the world? What in the world, you guys? Look, there's double. So mommy's checking.
That's okay.
Next we have Mia's Magic Uncle. Mommy, magic book. Oh wait, I haven't showed them yet. Next we have, Mysterious Mouth.
Mysterious Mouth.
Scary Show. Dun 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 dun.
And
Okay, and the last, Billy Angel. I didn't really bought this. What is this? Okay.
So you're
And
excited to
here
read
the-
all of the books?
Wait, I'm excited to read the BFF quiz book.
Okay, let's try that. Okay.
I'm so excited.
Tell them to watch your next vlog. Because we're gonna
Vlog.
try this vlog.
Vlog.
Yeah. We're gonna try that one. We're gonna try that.
No, I'm not gonna vlog about this one. Guys, you know what? If this video got more than 100 likes, then I will vlog about this too. And if this video got most more than 1.k,
We will send another. We will
yeah.
give this extra book.
Oh yeah. If my channel got raised to 100 subscribers, I will give away these two, the cupcake ones. These two, okay? Just subscribe it up and like it up, view it up, you guys. If you want to win these two. So yeah. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like to win these two. Bye. See you on my next video vlog. Peace.